There's nothing more amazing, more beautiful than to be in nature. It is the best therapy, the best thing that I could possibly think of in my 61 years of age. Here I am, swinging on a hammock, right? And this is what we got right here. We got all this beauty to contend with. No traffic, no noise, just a raging river. That's it. What could be better? The hustle and bustle and traffic? No. All the worries that we are encountering today whenever we turn on the news? No. This right here. This is my happy place. Swinging away and listening to that river rage. It's amazing. You have to admit, that's what living is all about.